Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Shelly of Letters by Shells, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to upload my lettering practice sheets onto the Procreate app. So I have my Procreate app open, and we're just going to use a canvas size 8.5 by 11 inch. That's normally the normal paper size that I use for my practice sheets. So by doing that, just tap on the upper right hand corner, which is that plus symbol right there. And I already have a canvas saved in that dimension size. I'm just going to tap on that. And once that canvas opens up, now I'm going to have you tap on that wrench symbol, which is the actions tab, and then go ahead and now tap on the left hand side that says the word add, and then go ahead and click on insert a photo. And it should now open up your photo library. For this one, I'm just going to tap on a photo album that I want to insert that photo. So the one I'm inserting, it's like a thankful practice sheet. And after you are okay with how it inserted into the canvas, tap on that arrow button just to exit out of that. And basically what you'll see here is that I'm going to open up the layers, and you'll see that the inserted photo we uploaded on layer 1. So now I'm going to tap on the plus symbol and open up a layer 2. Basically with these practice sheets, you can print them out and practice using brush pens, but if you also want to practice on like the iPad and not print out anything, all you have to do is, I would recommend practicing on a different layer. So I don't want to practice on the same layer that has a practice sheet. Basically going to write and practice on layer 2. And as you can see here, I'm practicing over the word thankful just to kind of get the hang of it. After you are done practicing, you just delete that layer 2. So the layer 1 that has a practice sheet's not really affected. But that's pretty much what I do. And the brush that I use to practice this word thankful, I used my bouncing bubbly brush. But yeah, there you have it. And I hope that was helpful in terms of like how to insert and upload the lettering practice sheets into the Procreate app. But yeah, if you have any other questions, please comment them below. And again, if you want to have access to like free practice sheets, always feel free to join my newsletter, which is also in the caption. And if you also want to learn my style of lettering, I do have a bunch of practice sheets available at my Etsy shop. Yeah, so all the links can be found in the caption. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!